What's going on, everybody? Today I will install this bad boy right here. K series. Like I bought it on eBay for, I think it was 100 and something. I'm not sure. Come with a gauge, fuel gauge. I installed already. The plugs, and this one connects directly to the OEM factory fuel line. So first, we're gonna remove the fuel pump fuse, so we can release all the fuel from 15. Okay, let's see. Fuel pump 15. Look for the 19. The bottom 19. This one. So now I'm gonna start the engine and let all the pressure on the line go away. See, now the fuel pump is disabled. I'm raising the the pressure on the line, so there's no more fuel. I hope so. All right, it's done. Second, take this off. Here. Something maybe will leak some fuel, so better some. All right, plier. Okay, this is for people that don't know how to replace it, or maybe they want some idea how to do it. So this. I'm gonna just do it. Let me see how can I hold the cell phone, because I'm recording with my cell phone and releasing. Let's see if I can hold it up right here. Yep. Okay, so. Connectors. That's done. Remove the ground wire. Uh-oh, it's gonna rain. Shit, it's very nice. Now, I have to hurry up. Just always put it back, because always you lose the freaking balls. Loosen everything. There you go. So I have to clean my engine. It's kind of good. Look, do not lose this part, this spacer. This spacer is between the bowl, the fuel rail, and the inter manifold. Do not lose that. You need it. Put it to the side. Alright, so see, easy, so simple. The click. 4. Shit. Alright, well, I have to put the phone away. One hand. I'm sorry, guys. Wait, pop one side. The other side. See. 2. Pop one side. 3. 4. There you go. Simple, easy. Now removing the injectors. Man. Now the O-ring in here, put it back on because I'm gonna reuse it. That way. The other one. Stuck inside, so just try to get something to pull it out. Other 3. Careful, you have fuel on the line, so okay, we're gonna put it back in here. See, the way you're gonna go is this way, so now sometimes has some type of glue. Just to lubricate the O-ring so it's easier. So it's easier to go and to install it. Grab one O-ring. A little glue around. And here too, both sides. See how it is work? The second one, the same thing. sometimes you have to wiggle. There you go. Third one. But this one don't have O-ring in the bottom. Maybe you guys stuck in the fuel into manifold. Sorry. The last one. Can be any type of lube. This one technically is like a silicone, you know, just to lose the O-ring. Well, this one is kind of hard to put in. There you go. Okay, this way. I don't know if I can use one hand or two. I'm sure. It's correct. Okay, let's put it back. This one button and okay. There you go. All over there inside. No. See, you have to use a spacer. One spacer. Second spacer. By hand first. Second one by hand too. So yeah, this one's gonna be enough. Annoying. I got to use us. Oh boy. Now we need like a extension. Let me see if I can get a ratchet. Extension with small socket, with a small socket. Let's we can put it on. A small wrench. The plugs, And don't forget your ground. So you don't connect the ground. Well, fine. And don't forget this plastic too. That's really important. This one right here. 2,000 here. There you go. Put back the line. Bam. And you go to plugs. Sorry that I don't have music, but every time I put music in YouTube, I don't know, YouTube don't let me download the video. So I guess no music. I don't know if you guys have the same problem if you put videos on YouTube. See, voila. Just connect it. Okay. Now if I notice, put back the fuse. And oh yeah, that's just cover. Okay. What? Honestly, this is my first time installing this thing. So if I can do it by myself, I think you're gonna be alright. That's just how this thing go. Oh shit. What's the tire? So maybe because I don't have no space to install this. Or you go into this way. Some lines. I'll figure it out later. Okay, all make sure it locks. Okay, look, it's fine. Put back the fuse. There you go. Now, you should start the car first. Okay, let's crank it. Do not start the car. You know? Let the fuel build pressure. You see now it's in 40. You know that it's pressure on the fuel rail. It's pressure on the fuel line. Look for leaks. Touch everywhere. Like before, it was 0. Now it's 40. Oh, now it's going down. Now I'm gonna start the car, see what happens. Cross fingers, cross fingers. It's my first time replacing it. So cross finger. Neutral. Really quick and check it out. Check it out. So, you hold your pressure. No leaking. Here you go, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're watching the video, if you're not watching the video, share it with your friends. You know, sometimes I have to do everything myself. I don't have money to pay someone to do it. Honestly, I just continue watching, learning. Not bad. The price I paid for this fuel rail, it's not bad. Honestly, come with a fuel gauge. I know everybody go K-tune or hybrid racing. But honestly, you know, the fuel rail only is to look. It's probably the look. It's not like it just won't give you more power. But you know, when you pop the hood, you want people to see a nice engine bay. Yeah, cool. Well, I'm gonna let the car run for a little bit to see if we have any problems. But I'm gonna do like a little detail on my car. But recently I just installed these carbon fiber hood. Let me close it so you can have a better look. See? Not bad. And I installed these carbon fiber wind. It's kind of dirty right now because it's been raining. I will show you my interior right now. See? Looking good. For me. I don't know, everybody has different opinions, but and you saw the little hook. Well, it's not hook, but this right here. No, it's more diffuser. I know how to clean my paint. Somebody bumped the ahead, but I do a diffuser. It's like a wall wrap. I'm gonna show you my interior. Right now I'm working on it. Oh shit. I'm working on it. I'm waiting for the K-tune short shifter. I bought the whole box. You know, it's kinda dirty right now. I have to clean it. You see, it's not. I remove the plastic in the middle. I know people say, why you do this, why you do that. Well, you know, I don't want to be like the rest of the people. I want to just do something different. A bucket seat. This is I bought it for $250. I think it was on eBay. Honestly, I have it for at least like half a year already. It's not bad, honestly. I want to agree to Ricardo seats, but I don't have money right now. I take all the carpet off. There's no carpet in the bottom. I want to just have like a nice clean look, but right now, no money. No money, boy. There's no carpet in the bottom. So I'm gonna start cleaning it, and later on I might just paint it and paint it really good so it looks nice with the short shifter. I think it's gonna look good. Well, you know, some people have ideas, and sometimes when you finish it, like, damn, it's not like I was expecting, but it maybe look better, maybe look ugly. I don't know. You know, and the purpose I removed the carpet was getting water in here. So I don't know if it's coming from here. Right now it's kind of wet. See, there's water here. So the carpet was so wet. Like, damn, why is it so wet? So I think coming from the windshield or from here. I don't know what is it. I think it's nothing. But whatever. See, it's getting water inside the car. So, see, like in 240 horsepower. You can see my previous video. I download the video. My car is 169,000 miles on it. And honestly, 240 horsepower with 160,000 miles, and it's a Honda engine. But people are like, nah, you had too much miles. Don't do this and that to the car. Listen, man, it's my car, you know. I can do whatever I want. No worries. I don't have the money to fix it if something happens. Okay, now I'm gonna step on it, see how everything works. See. We're here and check for leak. You don't want dropping around and then something happens to the engine and start leaking fuel everywhere, so you better do a home test at home before you go to the street. Perfect. Look nice. Look good. Well guys, thank you for watching. If you have any comment or negative comment, positive comment, just comment. If you want some advice from me or you want to give me some advice, just let me know. Well, and follow if you want to follow me, and I try to post the most I can when I can, because sometimes I have my kids. Sometimes it's difficult to post videos and my kids just running around and they're running around, you know. But they're my pride and joy. They're too beautiful. I have three kids. You know, I try to do the best I can with a car, the most I can. That's why I can afford to pay somebody to do it. So. Well, just comment, follow, subscribe, please, and thank you for watching.